Does TCL Smart TV have AirPlay? Yes. TCL Smart TVs that run on the Google TV or Roku TV platforms do support AirPlay, allowing users to wirelessly stream content from Apple devices, including iPhones, iPads, and Macs, to the TV. However, the availability of AirPlay depends on the model and operating system version, so it's essential to verify that your TCL Smart TV is compatible. 1. AirPlay on TCL Google TV models. TCL Smart TVs with Google TV support AirPlay 2, which enables users to stream videos, photos, music, or mirror their screen from Apple devices to the TV. This feature works with both iPhones and iPads, as well as Mac computers. Second, AirPlay on TCL Roku TV models. Some TCL Roku TVs also support AirPlay 2, which allows users to cast or mirror content from Apple devices. This feature is available on TCL Roku TVs running Roku OS 9.4 or later, providing a seamless experience for iOS users. AirPlay on Roku TVs includes functionality like streaming content from apps such as Apple TV, YouTube, or Netflix, and screen mirroring for presentations or gameplay. 3. How to use AirPlay on TCL Smart TV. To stream content via AirPlay to a TCL Smart TV. Step 1. Ensure that your Apple device, iPhone, iPad, or Mac, and TCL Smart TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. On your iPhone or iPad, open Control Center, swipe down from the top right, and tap Screen Mirroring, or on a Mac, click the AirPlay icon. Step 3. Select your TCL Smart TV from the list of available devices. Step 4. If prompted, enter the AirPlay code displayed on the TV screen. Step 5. The content will now be streamed to your TCL TV. 4. AirPlay features on TCL Smart TVs. AirPlay allows several useful features. Screen mirroring, mirror the display of your Apple device to the TV. Streaming videos and photos, stream media from apps like Apple TV+, YouTube, Netflix, and more. Music streaming, play music through the TV from Apple Music, Spotify, or other audio apps. Multi-device streaming, AirPlay 2 supports streaming from multiple devices simultaneously, enabling you to play audio or video on more than one AirPlay-enabled device in your home. 5. How to enable AirPlay on TCL Smart TV. To ensure that AirPlay is enabled on your TCL Smart TV. Step 1. Press the home button on your Roku remote or Google TV remote to go to the main menu. Step 2. Navigate to Settings, then Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. This option may appear differently depending on your TCL Smart TV model. Step 3. Enable AirPlay if it is not already turned on. TCL Smart TVs, whether running Google TV or Roku TV, generally support AirPlay for wireless streaming from Apple devices. This allows users to easily stream videos, music, photos, or even mirror their screen to the TV. Ensure your model is compatible and updated to the latest software version to enjoy this feature.